Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your smoke detector keeps beeping after a battery change, first ensure the battery is properly seated and compatible. Dust inside the unit can also cause false alarms, so clean it gently. To reset, press and hold the test button for 15 to 20 seconds. If it still beeps, your detector might be old and should be replaced for safety.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.